Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix slow connection or lag in Racing Master so you can enjoy smoother gameplay. First, check your internet speed. Go to any speed test website and make sure your ping is below 100 ms and your download speed is decent. If it's slow, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, whichever gives better performance. Next, close background apps like YouTube, TikTok, or downloads that might be using your internet. This helps free up your bandwidth for the game. Then open your phone's settings, apps, Racing Master, storage, and tap clear cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your game data. It just removes temporary files that could slow things down. Finally, if it's laggy, try using a VPN and connect to a region closer to the game servers. After doing these steps, restart the game and you should notice a big improvement. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes.